Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Mackenzie. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already because the vlogs are fun. The vlogs are coming in hot. Also, before I get started, make sure to follow me on TikTok. I just ran up the stairs, so I'm a little out of breath, but make sure to follow me on TikTok because I post little like in-between vlogs of vlogs, if that makes sense. Today, I have a very fun video for me because this sounds weird, but I love cleaning. I love organization. I love just like getting everything reset for the week. I love just feeling prepared for the week ahead. It is Memorial Day weekend, so technically Monday is a weekend too. I still want to be prepared for the weekend or the week ahead. So we are going to do a Sunday reset. This has changed a lot since I have moved back home, if you guys know, or if you are new here. This has changed a lot because when I lived alone or with my boyfriend at the time, doing Sunday resets, I was cleaning the entire house. I was doing all the laundry, like XYZ. I had basically my whole house to clean. This time around, now that I'm back at home, my mom does hire a like cleaning service that comes every other week. The cleaning lady is coming this week. I don't need to clean, like there's nothing I need to clean like the rest of the house because that is what the service is for. But I do have my room to clean. The cleaning lady does clean my room, but I got these sheets for Christmas. They're like a flannel, like floral pattern, if you guys can see that. But it's like a flannel. Did I already say this? It's like a flannel material, so it's not the softest. I mean, it's soft. It's just not summer appropriate. It's so hot. And so they also grab every single hair ever, whether that's my hair, Cody's hair. It just like, it's ingrained in the flannel. So I'm just like, I'm so over it. I can barely even sleep at night because I can see the hair. The set doesn't have like a matching like silk pillowcase, which is what I prefer to sleep on because of like the hair and skin reasons. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I also have to clean my comforter because I have a golden retriever and he sleeps with me on the bed and it gets gross and dirty after a week. So I have to wash that. I have to do laundry and kind of just clean my surfaces. Even though the cleaning lady comes this week, I still just feel like I want to clean that stuff out. I also want to clean out these drawers and then the drawers in my closet, which carry or like hold my like pajamas and underwear and bras and all that stuff. And then I am going to do the shower. If you are a girl, actually anybody can totally partake in the shower. This is like a 30-minute ordeal, a 30-minute shower where you're shaving, you're exfoliating, you're washing your hair, you're doing all of the stuff ready, and then I'm going to show you guys my self-tanning routine because I get a lot of questions about that because I self-tan basically every single week. Yeah, I have like tan like coming off on my legs and stuff, which I just need to scrub off. So yeah, we just have a lot to do today. So I'm excited to do this with you guys. I just got coffee. Yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is strip the bed and throw the sheets and the comforter in the wash.
Hoping you'll love me once again. I know I'm selfish a little bit, and you calling love wasn't helping it. Yeah, here we are in the same bed. Just come back and let he's not all that you wished for. Yeah, it's pretty clear to me. You're losing track of
I'm putting on these sheets and there's just like blood stains. I think I'm gonna go to Target and buy new sheets because none of these sheets are what I need. So I'm gonna go to Target really quick to go get better sheets.
Baby, it's not that serious. You play games, it's fucked up. You're waiting for my heart to get wise. Will you leave me here? Won't you? Baby, it's not that serious. I wish we could just make.
Just got out Target, got the sheets. It's crazy how they sell the sheets and the pillowcases separately. I think that's a scam. Cases were $20 and then this was $45, so it came out to be like $67. I'm obsessed with this pattern whether it's in like wallpaper, sheets, whatever. It looks so like what's the word I'm looking for, like coastal grandma vibes. It's just the white with these like blue florals, which I love. I'll link a similar pair on Amazon that's like, I think about the same price, and it has everything included on my storefront, which I probably should have done, but I just needed something like soon. And I think it has like more florals in this, so I think it's probably cuter on Amazon, I'm not gonna lie. But okay, so as you guys saw, I threw the comforter in the wash. Now I'm going home and I'm gonna go put these sheets on. Should I wash these before I put them on? But they're like in a case, so like nothing's touching them. I'm not gonna wash them because I'm just gonna get self-tan on them tonight probably. So whatever. Some people are like very germophobic like that, and I'm sure I would be if I understood like why I should be washing it. But also at the same time, like I don't care enough. Like it's not gonna kill me. It's not gonna kill me. So I'm gonna go put those on and then finish the rest of my room. I literally bought 2 sets of pillowcases. Damn, that freaking blows. Well.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning I wake to it. Don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
Okay, so I am in the midst of cleaning my room out. I cleaned my closet, and what else did I do? I kind of cleaned out my nightstand. I didn't show you, I vacuumed downstairs. That was separate because I have to vacuum every single week. Hold on, I think I started my period. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and go through these drawers and kind of clean them out and reorganize them. I have my makeup drawers in here. I have like a self-tan drawer. That's pretty organized. I don't really need to clean that out. My hair drawer, and just this stuff always gets caught on each other. So yeah, I'm gonna go through and like throw stuff away and clean it out. So let's do that. And hopefully my camera doesn't die. I've been charging it, but I hope it doesn't die. That was really good timing because my mom just called and she needs to be picked up from brunch. I put the sheets on. Everything looks good and fresh. Let me show you. These sheets are so cute. I'm obsessed. Looks so good. I got so hot like putting everything on and like vacuuming and everything, so don't mind my outfit. But I'm gonna go pick up my mom right now and then we are gonna shower because it is 2 o'clock. Okay, I am back. It is time. The last thing I really need to do as far as cleaning goes is cleaning out these drawers or just like refolding them, reorganizing them. Down here is like my pajamas and everything, and I kind of just get lazy when I'm doing laundry. I just kind of throw them in there. And I really like for everything to be like rolled. I am tired. My back is starting to hurt too. Okay, and then this is kind of like sweatpants and stuff, so I need to also go through this. Okay, my whole room is cleaned. Yay, it looks so good. Every single drawer is cleaned out, my closet's cleaned out. Feels really good. But now the best part is to take a shower after all that. And I'm going to dinner tonight and I need to look more presentable. So let's go shower and then I will show you guys everything I do after the shower. I'm gonna exfoliate, like scrub off all the remaining of my self-tan, shave my face, bleach my eyebrows a little bit, maybe self-tan if I have time. Let's go shower. Okay, fresh out of the shower, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do for my after shower routine. Number one, most important, is to go in with lotion. This is my favorite lotion. It doesn't dry me out. Some lotions like have more alcohol in it, and so it makes you drier, so you think you need lotion more, so you keep using the lotion. I'm gonna go in after that with some body oil. I don't think I'm gonna self-tan tonight. I don't think I have time. Yeah, I don't think I have time. So I'm just gonna spend today like really hydrating my body. I'm gonna use this. This is the Oak Essentials Dew Body Oil. I'll have this linked down below. This is amazing, especially when you're tan and like you're going out and you just like want to put it on your legs and stuff. Oh my god, it's so good. So I'm gonna do that, and this makes me feel better about my skin when I'm pale because I'm like glowy still, you know. These two match made in heaven, and then I'll show you my skincare after I put all that stuff on and then get in my robe. Everything is good and glowy. You can see that glow. Like I'm obsessed. Now I'm going to do a little bleachy bleach for my eyebrows. If you're a dark-haired girly like me, this sometimes just helps soften my face because sometimes I feel like my eyebrows are just a little too dark for my liking. So I go in with this. This is linked on my Amazon storefront under skincare. This is the Sally Hansen Bleach Cream for face and body. Extra strength cream hair bleach. So it comes with a little cream bleach, a little thing you put the bleach in, a pre-conditioner, and the activator. So I'm gonna do that. I only leave it on for about 5 minutes, and it makes my eyebrows just a smidge lighter, which I appreciate. And I do this before any other skincare because I'm gonna just take it off if I do it before. Okay, as you can see, they're like just the smidgiest bit lighter, but honestly it makes a world of difference, especially when makeup is involved. Now I'm gonna do skincare. Do I want to gua sha? Yeah, I think I'll gua sha first. This is the Roll-On Jade brand serum, sublimating serum beauty elixir, and their gua sha is the best thing ever. Look at this. Use this for jaw. Now I'm going to shave my face. You can get these on Amazon. Again, everything is linked on my storefront. So I'm gonna go in, bring the mirror closer to me, and I'll show you how I do it. There's a lot of benefits to, it's technically called dermaplaning, but I just call it face shaving because it's essentially just what it is, because it makes my makeup look and lay so much better on my skin. It makes my skin look better and more glowy and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to pull my skin taut, and I start from like my jaw and then work my way up. So I'm going to use this at an angle and go towards my chin. I'm actually going to put a little bit more of this on. It's best to do this with like an oil on your face because it makes it glide easier and not like tear your skin, or it's not going to like cut you. So I recommend using an oil with this. And I did this like not too long ago, probably like 2 weeks ago, so I don't have as much as I normally would have. I'm going to go into my actual skincare, which first is this CosRx nail or snail mucin. Again, linked on my storefront. Literally, if I don't say where anything's from, it's probably from Amazon, or you can get on Amazon. I'm going to put a little bit more, and I'm going to put it more on my like neck and kind of like my décolleté. Hopefully I didn't just flash you right there. Then I'm going to go in with some moisturizer, La Roche-Posay. Okay, I have about an hour to get ready for dinner, so I think I'm just gonna end the video here so I can get ready on time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys like these types of Sunday reset vlogs slash like deep cleans with me. But yeah, make sure to subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. That is my Sunday reset. I usually do a little bit, if I don't have plans, I'll do more like self-care stuff, which is like my nails, my tan. That's pretty much it. My nails, my tan. But I will do that in another video, or I don't know, I'll show you guys eventually that whole thing. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.